So suppose that this time I'll give you some short trick to handle integration by parts. So suppose that you have some power of x to the power anything, it can be anything, okay? And here we will have some function, some different function, and you are supposed to integrate them, okay? So instead of going through the orthodox way where you have to do integration so many times, okay, like this becomes very time consuming. So this trick will help you a lot. So how does it works? Look at here. So suppose that I have taught you, like we have already studied differentiation and integration, correct? And you know that first we have studied differentiation. So write differentiation and then write integration. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to write first function which is supposed to get integrated. Okay. So suppose that you have taken x power n here and then f of x. You have to, like, you have to start differentiating this function. Differentiate right, differentiate right, differentiate right, differentiate right. You will keep on differentiating this thing till the time you get 0. And same with this person. Integrate, 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 integrate. So first thing has to be differentiated and the second thing has to be integrated. Okay. Now you have to place some signs. Signs means the first sign should be positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, so on so forth. Okay. Now, sorry, this has to be negative, this has to be positive. Now how will you respond? Now you will write the direct answer, required value. So you will be multiplying positive of this thing with this, then negative of this thing with this thing, and you will keep on adding things. This thing with this thing with this thing, this thing with this thing with this thing. That will be the answer. Okay. Now I'll give you some examples so that you can have better clarity. So just look at this part. You have to integrate this function. If you will integrate this function in orthodox manner na, this thing will become bit complicated. Okay, so what we have to do, just go with the trick. So it is differentiation and then integration. Okay, so first function we will go with islet. Okay, so we will take algebraic function as the first function. So what is the algebraic? X cube. So x cube and e power minus 3x. Now keep on differentiating your algebraic function, first function. So it will become 3x square, then 6x, then 6, and then 0. Okay. Now you have to integrate this function. So e power minus 3x minus 3, e power minus 3x 9, e power minus 3x 27, e power minus 3x 81. Okay, here you should have plus sign, then minus, then plus minus, so on so forth. Okay. Now write down the required answer. So required value is, look, you will be writing this thing in the form of multiplication. Okay, so it is plus x cube into this, so it is minus of 3 x cube e power minus 3x. Then this with this minus 27x square e power minus 3x. Then this with this. So it is minus 6 times 27 e power minus 3x, and then this with this. So it is minus of 681 e power minus 3x with integration constant c. So this is your required answer. Okay, you can apply the same concept over here and here, and whenever you will have these kind of question, do it this way only. It will reduce your timing enormously. Okay, so it helps a lot. I hope you got the approach and you guys can implement this idea. Okay.